Hi everybody. I wanted to come in and show you a recipe that has been a family favorite and has also been a favorite when I was working at SmartNode. I can't tell you how many people have asked me for this recipe, and it is so simple and so easy and always such a hit. So my mom always made it at home, and I have since then continued to make it the way she told me to, just working off of memory. But I have realized that recently the instructions are actually on the back of the white bark that you can buy. So basically it's called Haystacks, and it only consists of about 3 ingredients. It's the white chocolate, you've got the Choy Chow noodles, can y'all see that? And then the cashews. So be sure to make plenty of these because it's going to go by really, really quickly. So I have already melted my white chocolate in the microwave. It says to do it about 30 seconds and then check it. I'm not very patient. So I did it about 2 minutes, and then I think I did it a minute or more. But you might want to check it every 30 seconds so you don't burn your chocolate. So this is so complicated, y'all. Y'all are going to love this. The next thing you do is you're going to take your Choy noodles and you're going to mix them in there, okay? So I've already opened this can. Sometimes you get it in the bag. You just have to make sure that you're doing the right amount of ounces that are shown. And I'll actually post the recipe on the bottom of this. So I'm going to put those in there. The next thing you're going to add is a can of cashews. I usually get the broken pieces, so I get more cashews per bite instead of the whole cashews. So we're going to dump that in there. I'm telling y'all, this is a really difficult recipe. Okay, so we're going to stir that up. And like I said, everyone at SmartNode always asks me for this recipe. I had to miss their Christmas gathering the other night, so I'm going to stop back over there sometime this week and probably take them a batch of these because I had so many people that really liked them. So you just stir and make sure that everything is really, really coated. And once you have everything coated in here, all you're going to do is you're going to put them out to cool. I've already laid down some wax paper here. And I will just start spooning it out, and they end up looking like little haystacks. So let me get some here on my spoon. You cannot mess this up. So we'll just put a little bit out here. Let's see. I'll do a few more. You can make these whatever size you like. Sometimes mine get pretty big, but I think smaller is probably better. Now, did I tell you that was difficult or what? I hope y'all enjoy this. If it's a family favorite at your home, let me know. Thank you so much.